This is Patty, my grandma. She's a professional musician for over 50 years, but because of essential tremors, her hands now shake when she plays the piano. Watching that happen made me think, there has to be something I can build to help. Hi, I'm Vajapey from Morristown, New Jersey. I've basically been building things my entire life. To help my grandma, my brother and I built an automatic sheet music turning robot so she wouldn't have to stop playing to turn the pages. When she told me it let her
focus on the music instead of the pages,
something clicked.
Engineering isn't really about the machines.
It's of the people, by the people, for the people. That project became our innovation project at the first LEGO League Nationals, AROC 2024, where we earned second place.
But honestly, what mattered more was the process.
My team and I designed, tested, failed, rebuilt, and kept going, together. Over 6 years in FLL, I learned that the best ideas never come from just one person. In our final season, instead of the typical 2-attachment box robot, I designed a novel circular robot that could autonomously cycle 8 attachments built by my team members. This design helped us place 8th nationally, but it only worked because my team tested it and improved it alongside me.
I've since heard that multiple other teams are using that design, and that means more to me than any trophy.
Last year, I had the opportunity to MC AROC 2025. This year, I'll MC again, and I'm working toward helping organize AROC 2026. Now, I coach FLL. Last year, I mentored a rookie team to place 3rd in robot performance. This year, I was hired to coach another rookie team at the South Jersey Innovation Center with my co-coach Ari. They'd been competing for the past 7 years in first, and had never won a single award. They even placed bottom 3 last year. This year, after focusing on engineering fundamentals and teamwork, they placed 3rd out of 21 and advanced to regionals. Watching them grow has been one of my proudest moments.
Beyond competitive robotics, I've served as the student president
of the Lockheed Martin 4-H STEM program for the past 3 years.
I designed electronics curriculum, collaborating with professional engineers to make those concepts approachable.
Last summer, I co-founded a selective STEM summer session, teaching 25 middle schoolers how to think like engineers. One parent was surprised to learn that I had just started 11th grade. This year, I co-organized the 23rd Annual Moomun Conference with my co-secretary general, Dishita Singh. We coordinated 350 delegates across 16 committees, the largest conference in our school's history. Staying up until 2 a.m. assigning roles and solving last-minute problems taught me something NASA understands well. Communication is key.
Hello, I am Dishita Singh from TASER 2025. I work with Kai in Model UN. What really stands out is how he leads by listening, and the energy that he brings really inspires all of our crises members, chairs, and delegates to think of creative solutions to their tasks. He would be a great fit in SEAS and really thrive in its collaborative nature.
Outside of STEM, I'm a part of the Madrigals, a selective a cappella choir that carols locally and tours internationally. I'm the tenor soloist for our upcoming Mozart's Requiem at the Princeton Chapel. I've also performed in over 20 musicals and plays, and I'm currently playing Chad in All Shook Up.
The arts have taught me something that stuck with me throughout my life. One voice doesn't make a harmony.
I've also mentored in the Penguin Project, helping neurodivergent students take lead roles and gain confidence on stage. Some of these kids couldn't even speak.
That experience changed the way I view life, and it motivates me to help others every day.
Through theater, I started a small business designing and 3D printing custom cookie cutters for different productions, and sold hundreds of cookies to support our nonprofit theater company. I later expanded it to fundraise for Moomun with my friends.
Overall, I've generated a net $1,500.
Last year, I engineered a lighter, stronger glass inspired by Naker's microstructure to improve bulletproof window protection in schools. Now, I'm working on Tremor Pause, a glove that stabilizes hand tremors in real time.
My main challenge has been classifying tremors from normal movement.
I trained a machine learning model on over 4 million motion samples from 100 clinically diagnosed participants to do this.
When tremors are detected, a motor will instantly generate counter inertia to stabilize the hand. But that's still in the works.
I hope my work at SEAS will meaningfully contribute to NASA's lifelong commitment to use engineering to further humanity, just like I did with my grandma.
NASA builds environments where people challenge each other, refine ideas, and push solutions further than any one person could.
That's the kind of environment I love and have tried to build, and the kind I hope to grow in next. Thank you for considering me.